What you doing?
Look at him holding himself up.
Hey, Stan, remember that? Don't show. We haven't seen that in a long time. Hey Stan, did you know you're getting a cell phone? You are getting a cell phone. And you're going to call me on the phone? And what are you going to ask me? What do you always call me? Every day you call me and say what? No shower.
Is that what you say?
Stan, can you call
Today
me?
he said no shower. And he wanted to go to Subway.
And
what else did you
No
shower? Tomorrow you have a shower. But no shower today.
John was very impressed at his whistling ability.
What?
He gets pretty intense about it.
Stan, are you going to go to Little Rock and visit John and Allison?
Stan, where does John live? Remember?
Little Rock Party.
The last time John was here, like in October, and I was on the phone with him when he got back to Little Rock, and Stan wanted to talk to him, and so I gave him the phone, and he, I heard John say like, "I'm back in Little Rock," and saying Little Rock farted. But it was just so funny because all I heard was like Little Rock farted.
And John, of course, was just
Laughing.
like, okay.
You're silly, Stan.
What's that? I think he just doesn't know what to do.
Did
Lauren Greg end up coming over to I guess so, but we never talked to them.
yeah, so did they come over?
Bye-bye.
after dinner?